Okay, so coming on here to review this Waterdrop water filter, water purifier, whatever you want to call it. And basically it just works by, you just press this, it's touchscreen, all of it is touchscreen. It will tell you how much water is filtered. It says 100% right now. And then you can set the amount. So this is in ounces, this is 8 ounces, 16, 20, and it goes up to $9.99. That's quite a lot, I'm not sure, but let's do 4 ounces. And basically there is like a little part at the bottom for it to stop like spilling over, and I just put my glass here and it will just start refilling it. And now it will go up to 4 ounces, I believe. But if you want it to be less, you can just press it again and it will stop. So let me try this. Tastes really good, just like purified water pretty much. And then I wanted to show you guys how to refill it as well. Oops. So basically the back of it, the whole back is the tank. So you can kind of like remove it like this. And then you can also just like take off the lid and do this. So it has kind of like a handle up here. And then you can just take it to the sink and refill this. And then put it back. And then it will start kind of filtering that water. So yeah, definitely a nice device to have, especially if you don't want to pay for bottled water every day. It's great to have something like this to purify your water because it's not good to drink tap water. So yeah, definitely recommend this. This also comes with it to clean. But yeah, great device so far. Really, really recommend it, and you should go get yours.